semi-final movie of the Bold Lake Saga, starring Mary Joy Apostol and Akihiro Milano, directed by CJ Santos, and presented to you by Blade Entertainment. And of course, your host, this is Ricky, and I'm Charles, your host. Let us now bring your attention to our glamorous red carpet here at Diana Malls, Manila Bay. Ladies and gentlemen, our celebrity guests, please welcome Andrew God. Once again, please welcome Andrew God. And of course, Scott Longboy. And John Mercenas, followed by Alison Gonzalez. Kia Johnson. And from the next Wild Days movie, Mr. Stacy Balactas. From the Luxury Cars Manila, Mr. Hans T. Panda. And of course, from Atoy Custom, Mr. Atoy Yabe.
Ano yung nangyayari? Wala na pumapasok.
From Metro Manila Development Authority, Connor Bong Lebrija. And of course, the author and comedian, Mr. Stanley G. From Pipito Manaloto, Mr. Ronnie Hernandez. Mr. Ronnie Hernandez. Moving on, let us welcome our production crew. Please welcome following assistant, Sid Ciceron Jr.